Hey, good afternoon, students. This is Mr. Witchman here talking about our football expectations, our fan expectations, and our football games. And we love to have people there. We love to have everybody there, but they also want to make sure that we have good sportsmanship and that we're representing not just Prairie Ridge, but our family name and also the Ankeny community, the Ankeny Centennial Jag community. So this Friday night is our first football game, and we want to make sure that if you're there, you know what to do. So we're going to go through a couple things to make sure that you are prepared for the game. The first part about this is where to sit. So if you can look at the screen right there, you'll see that they have a new entryway. Everybody enters this way. What we're asking for all of our fans to do is to come in, and we're going to take a left, walk around, and then either sit with your parents or in this noted section right here. This is where Prairie Ridge Middle School students sit. So again, you're going to enter, take a left, follow the sidewalk around, and this is where you'll sit. You'll note that there's two different options you can sit with in this section area that we've noted, or with your parents. It is not going to be allowed for kids just to run around in this area or around behind the bleachers. And we'll get into that a little bit. So again, enter the main entrance, go to the left. This is our Jag Central. The next part is just a few bullet points to remind you of what our expectations are. Enter in the main gate like I noted, sit with your parents or in the southwest corner, which I noted it was circled in red. And then should there be a problem, which it rarely is a problem, you may be asked to leave. So one time the parents were notified and the student had to leave the game and actually wasn't able to come back for the rest of the season. So we want you to have a good time with your friends. Come there and be ready to cheer on the Jags and actually have some social time too. We don't throw things. We don't. We pick up our trash. In the past, Prairie Ridge kids have done all that work so that our section is the cleanest. We represent very well when we're at the games. And then again, just like I mentioned, your actions were representing your family, the reputation of Prairie Ridge as well. And again, we want you to cheer on the Jags. Special this Friday is a blackout. So we're encouraging all fans of Centennial to wear their black jerseys, black shirts, black hats, whatever you have. But it's going to be a blackout. So your clothes should be, if you can, in the gray or black attire. We are not looking for any kind of face painting or any kind of attire like that. We're just looking for the attire to be black. Again, one last thing. We want you to come out. We want you to have a great time. Most importantly, remember, we're representing the community. This is a big game. We're going to play our Ankeny Hawks. So we want to make sure that we are good sportsmanship because we all are one Ankeny. Hey, one more thing. Go Jags!